Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer here at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We've got another truck getting ready to put on the lot. I'd like to share this with you. This is a 2014 Ram 2500. It's a heavy duty. It does have the 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine in it, turbocharged of course. So it's got black leather interior. So let's go ahead and do a quick walk around, show you the outside of the truck. Then we'll go on the inside. Nice chrome on the front of it. Chrome running boards. And you can see it does have the tinted windows on it. It does have a hard tonneau cover on the back. Go back here on the back. We'll show you the truck. It does have a backup camera. It's got the receiver hitch lighting. Camera is right there. There is your tonneau cover. So let's go ahead and I'll pull the tailgate down and show you what it looks like. Okay, that gives you a little glimpse into it. So we'll continue to do our walk around. I tell you, the color of this truck is pretty nice. I mean, it's beautiful color. Now, one thing I do want to show you on your mirrors, they are heated. I don't know if you can see the heat emblem, but it's right there. So they are heated. And you do have the turn signals on there. And there is your Cummins Diesel Turbo 2500. So let's go ahead and take a peek inside. Beautiful black leather inside the truck and black collar with wood trim on your door panels. Nice carpet, is in really good condition. And you do have heated seats back here, ladies and gentlemen. So right there is your controls. How cool is that? Or I should say, how warm is that? One thing I forgot to mention, this is the Laramie trim package. That's why you're seeing a lot of extra options. You've got the power seats here on your front seats. Show you the door panel here, all your window and lock controls. Your controls for your lighting. You do have a button here, telescoping brake and pedal, which what that means, you can push this button and the pedals will either come closer towards you or go further away from you. So that's a really nice feature. Let's hop in. Okay, here we are on the inside, and I'll tell you, this thing is nice. So I'm actually scrolling through some of the, by push button here on your control, through some of the different options that is available. So let me pull away and just show a little bit of the LCD center, control center here. Let me get in here a little bit closer to the instrument gauges. You can see the mileage on this as of right now is 171,374 miles. Now it does have push button start and stop right here. Just to press your brake pedal, push the button, it'll start. You do have controls here on the left. It does have Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphone. Cruise control settings are right here, and here's your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive selectors. And you get in here, you can see your LCD center. Now it does have a backup camera, so I'm going to go ahead and drop it in reverse. Right there's your camera engaged. Now another nice feature with this, just because it has the Laramie package, you do have dual climate controls on the left and right. Now up here you do have heated and cooled seats on both of them, and right here in the center is a heated steering wheel. So that I have that option on my Kia Sorento, and I absolutely love it when it's cold out. But you do have storage capacity here, 2 cup holders. Show you the passenger seat. There's your Laramie logo, if you can make that out. Plenty of storage right here, and this one does lift up. A lot of storage right there. Okay, and let's take a look at the back. You do have 2 cup holders here, and look at the leg room, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, there is a lot of space in this truck cab. Well, that concludes our tour of this 2014 Ram 2500 6.7 liter engine, turbocharged diesel, heavy duty. So it's a beautiful truck inside and out, as you can see. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us up here. We've got a lot of financing options available. Have a great day.